Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. This is Richard for WELSHYTECH, and today we have the Forge GK600 TKL wireless gaming keyboard from MSI. Is this their best budget keyboard yet? Let's find out.
The MSI Forge GK600 TKL wireless is a versatile tenkeyless design with 2.4 GHz wireless Bluetooth and a Type-C connection. It features hot swap linear mechanical switches, durable PBT keycaps, sound dampening gaskets, and a 1.06-inch display with an RGB lighting and a 4000 mAh battery. It's ideal for gamers and creators. As for essential keys, sensational typing. This keyboard features a 10 keyless design that saves desk space, boosts portability without sacrificing performance. Its linear mechanical switches offer smooth, responsive keystrokes, perfect for fast-paced gaming or precise typing. Compact yet powerful, it's designed for those who value efficiency and style. Tailor your switch anytime. Explore the versatility of this keyboard, which enables you to effortlessly hot swap default mechanical switches with third-party switches without any soldering. This ensures or empowers you to easily customize your typing experience. Resilient aesthetics, equipped with dye-sublimated PBT keycaps, known for their exceptional durability and premium feel. Enjoy the silence, the multiple layers of sound dampening and foam and gasket, expertly engineered to isolate and preserve the pure sound of each key switch. This ensures a clean, satisfying acoustic experience free from unwanted noise. Control and display with a 1.06-inch display shows essential information like battery status, RGB backlighting profiles, and brightness levels, keeping you informed at a glance. Versatility or connectivity, offering flexible connectivity with 2.4 GHz wireless via the included USB dongle, Bluetooth and wired mode through a USB Type-C connection, ensures seamless performance all across your devices. Endurance, a powerful 4000 mAh rechargeable battery delivers up to 20 days of use with backlighting turned off. This extended battery life reduces the need for frequent recharges, providing greater convenience for long gaming or work sessions. Instant interaction. Take control with convenient hotkeys that let you quickly adjust lighting effects, manage media controls, and access widgets, ensuring your overall interaction with smooth functionality and rapid adjustments.
Okay, so when it comes to functionality, now there is a little display by here, as you can see. Now what this does have is a few presets. Now to access them, you press that, and then the screen by here does change when you change it, see? So you can adjust this by pressing enter, so you can adjust the brightness, the illuminance, the overall temperature. You can also go through a different amount of presets. So if we go to this by here, you can go from RGB to red all the way down to white. If we go to this by here, this is a full mountain of different presets for the RGB. It's 20 presets actually, so we'll go through the presets now. It does some glowing. Then this one then is more of a interactive one. It does this interactive one. So we'll go across now to this one. This one, more of an explosive one with the RGB, is quite nice. This one then is exactly the same, but it's a different type of RGB effect. Got this one then, I like this one. It looks like the Knight Rider car kit. That's the way it looks there. This one then, you've got because this keyboard's all the way full backlit. It's a backlit keyboard. And it's got, like I said, 20 different functions for RGB lighting. This one's nice. This one's okay. That's fine. Then you got this one, which is basically you press 1 and then they just light up. Then you got this one, and that one's really nice. You got 13 by here. This one and is just This one's quite cool. This one. Got this one, and I do like the RGB on this keyboard. This one is more of just a backlight. Very dim. This one then is with blue. That's with green. That one's that one. There's number 20. Number 20 is a bit different. It's just like a static colour, but then you've got the normal RGB. You can adjust it for hotkeys. Now you can, these particular buttons here, if you press the option and that button, and then press one of these buttons which are already preset, they can do like snap a picture, it can do a timer, it can go backwards, pause it. This one then comes up a different thing. It does a lot of different functions for, particularly for Windows. You should be able to manage media control, so that's what them buttons are for. And then obviously there's them buttons there, which is for mute, and then of course that is just volume up and down. But the overall screen is this tiny. The screen is actually 1.6 inches display that shows battery status and RGB settings for quick access. This is all the presets. I do like that. Then of course got volume, and then you can adjust everything. So we put that back up to 100 and put that back up to 100. You can change pretty much every single thing with this keyboard. This is actually a speed test, so change day. Wow. I do like the feedback it gives you as well. Okay, so I managed to do 32 words per minute with a 90% accuracy. It's not the best, but then again, I'm not really a fast typer, but that is how it sounds, and it does feel very nice to actually use. Okay, so is this the best gaming keyboard that MSI has made so far? Well, a small keyboard. Now, that's going to be up to debate, but that's really up to you. But what I'm going to say is some of the key features. Now, you do get the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, as well as the cable. Now, yes, it's Type-C. Fantastic that everyone's starting to do that. And this does work with Mac, which boggled me because, you know, I don't use Mac, but still, it's got that function. It's got 20 different presets for the RGB. You can adjust the brightness, you can adjust the backlight. You can adjust it however you need. Now, this at the moment is running on the dongle, so and it was just seamless. I plugged in the dongle and it automatically worked. And just to show you, works absolutely with no issues. I've plugged it in with the key, with the Type-C, and I've done it with the Bluetooth, and they all worked with no issues. Now, the keyboard itself, now, type testing, that's something I like to use because it is a good way of testing a keyboard, as well as it does give you that click sound as well from the keys. Now, this is very silent, but it's not the quietest keyboard I've ever heard. That's probably going to go to be quiet. But what I will say is I like these switches. It does feel very, very nice. I like these type of switches. I love the RGB illumination. The full backlight. It's, you know, tenkeyless. It's fantastic for what you buy in. Now, whether you agree with the price or not, it's at £75. Whether you want to buy that or not, that's up to you as well. But what I'm going to say is that this keyboard is really, really nice. Now, I don't particularly go for small keyboards. I prefer a full layout keyboard that's with the included number pad. But if you're someone that's looking for a keyboard that's tenkeyless and it's very small, very easy, it's got the Bluetooth, it's got the wireless, and it can do through Type-C, then this is probably one you want to actually take, or can at least take a look at or consider. Now, if you want to buy one, I will leave links down below, so I get a kickback for that. And I'd like to say a big thank you to my MSI for sending this out for review. Now, what I've got coming is gonna be, it's just nuts. I've got a GPU, I've got a motherboard from Sapphire, I've got a PC build to do, another one with Lee & Lee, which is a budget type. I've got a 7900 XTX graphics card here from AMD. I'm going to make a video on that. So yeah, make sure you subscribe for that. And as always, I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend and week ahead of you. This is Rich for WELSHYTECH. Good